Alright, so I am kind of disappointed. We are going to be leaving the Alabama Hills a little bit early. This has been our favorite spot. We've really enjoyed the climbing. It's been so fun. But we were planning on leaving tomorrow, but today we're in a wind warning. The whole eastern Sierra Nevada Valley, the whole valley that Lone Pine's in, is under a severe wind warning. It's supposed to start at 1 p.m. today, and they're calling for 70-mile-an-hour winds. But yeah, so now we're leaving Lone Pine and we're headed towards Bakersfield.
We've made it to an RV park we're going to be staying at for a day or two in Bakersfield, California. It's so nice to have the air conditioning on and just to be able to like breathe, fuel, get the black tank really clean, and just have full hookups for a couple days. We go months without having full hookups, so this is really nice. It's a nice treat for a little while. And it's a nice RV park too. There's grass outside. Right when we got here, Oakleynella freaked out and just rolled all over in the grass. But that just goes to show you, you can't really plan for things when you live in an RV full time. Stuff just comes up, things happen, and you have to change plans, and you have to be okay with that. Flexibility is key.
I will say that I think it's important to be watching the weather. I pretty much look at the 10-day forecast for where we currently are and where we're headed. I look at the 10-day forecast usually before bed and when I wake up, and sometimes maybe once throughout the day. So 2 to 3 times a day I look at the 10-day forecast for where we're at and where we're headed, because the 10-day forecast even changes like pretty dramatically, even over just the next couple days. Like this windstorm just came out of nowhere, but because I was paying attention to where we're headed and where we're at, I was able to figure out that we could leave and just avoid the wind altogether. And so I think that's definitely important. We've been able to kind of avoid a lot of just kind of crappy weather situations because of that. So keeping a good eye on the weather is definitely a good thing to do.
So we're going to go ahead and call it a day, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for living life with us today. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment, and we'll see you guys later.